album, Awaken
Amp
to
cut
My
off
Love,
switch.
debuted at #1 on the R&B charts.
Cut it off, the whole thing go off. I dig that. Now, cut it back on. Yeah. Amp cutoff switch, y'all. I don't have enough time to take it apart and explain it to you, but I have an extra one right here. It's got a 3-prong on it. Switch. What you do is, hold on, let me. You take this one, you ground it, or any one, it really don't matter. It don't have no order, but you take one, you ground it. The middle one, you could connect from the remote wire to your deck to this, and this last one from the remote wire to the amp back, which will give it power. So when you cut it on and off, you'll get what I just had right here. I hope that helps. Short and to the point.